Hey guys, so this is what has happened to my setup. I'm jamming and I'm hearing brrr, 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 a rattle. It's supposed to be glued. See, this one's glued on there very well. So I gotta get that back on there. We should be good to roll, but I don't want to mess my babies up anymore. These are old subwoofers, the first HCCA. So I got these bad boys. 15-inch. They're in a sealed box though. I don't really like that. But let's see how big we can get the sealed enclosure to go. So stay tuned for the update, guys. I think you guys have seen my amp setup, right? I got the audio pipe. Bass processor. The Rockford for the highs. That's the 1800. Alright guys, these are the 2 ohm on each side. So stay tuned for the update, guys. We're gonna be booming before we know it.